Dreaming of your new home but feeling overwhelmed by the mortgage process? If you're looking to finance your home with EverBank, knowing the exact steps can turn that confusion into confidence. Getting a home loan is a major milestone, and we're here to walk you through the process, making it as smooth as possible. Here is your quick guide on how to apply for a home loan with EverBank. The journey generally breaks down into 5 key phases: preparation, pre-qualification, application, underwriting, and closing. Phase 1, preparation is key. Before you even start the official application, you need to get your financial house in order. EverBank, like any lender, will be looking closely at your credit, income, and assets. First, check your credit report and score. This gives you a chance to dispute any errors and understand where you stand. A stronger credit score generally means better loan terms. Second, gather your essential documents. This typically includes W-2 forms, pay stubs, tax returns, and statements for bank accounts and investment accounts. Having these ready to go will save you a lot of time later. Phase 2, pre-qualification and pre-approval. The next step is to connect with an EverBank loan officer. You can often start this process easily online or by calling their dedicated home loan team. You'll first go through pre-qualification. This is a quick check where the loan officer reviews your verbal or submitted financial information to give you an estimated maximum loan amount. It's a good starting point to gauge affordability. The crucial next step is pre-approval. This involves a more rigorous review of your actual financial documents and a hard pull on your credit. A pre-approval letter from EverBank shows sellers you are a serious buyer, as it's a commitment based on verified information. This step is essential before you start making offers. Phase 3, formal application. Once your offer on a home is accepted, you'll complete the formal home loan application, often referred to as the Uniform Residential Loan Application. Your EverBank loan officer will guide you through this, making sure all the property and financial details are correct. This is where you officially lock in your interest rate, too. Phase 4, underwriting and appraisal. Now, the application goes to the EverBank underwriting team. They thoroughly verify all the information, your employment history, assets, and the property details. They'll order a property appraisal to ensure the home's value supports the loan amount. Be prepared for the underwriter to ask for clarifying or additional documents during this time. Quick responses help keep the process on track. Phase 5, closing. Congratulations! Once underwriting gives the final approval, you'll receive the final closing disclosure with all the loan details. A few days later, you'll attend the closing appointment to sign all the paperwork and finalize the purchase. You'll receive the keys, and your EverBank home loan is official. The home loan process is a journey, but with EverBank, taking it one step at a time, from preparation to closing, makes all the difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.